everyone, today I'll be doing a simple get ready with me tutorial. My eyebrows have been prepped, so I will do a separate video on that. First, I'm using the Botanical Cream Concealer in number 23, shade Natural Beige, and applying it lightly. Next, I'm using the Provence Air Skin Fit Pack number 2 in the shade Natural Beige with SPF 27 to finish my base makeup. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm first using this light beige shade from the Daily Basic palette number 2 named Rosy on my whole upper eyelid. And a darker pink shadow from the Color Blossom New Mood Eye Palette number 3 Rose Basket. I'm topping off with some light gold shimmer on my upper eyelids. And then also on my aegyo cell here below. To finish the eyes, I'm using the number 2 Curling Wild Mascara. Heading over to the lips, I like to start with hydrating it using the Sweet Tube Balm in the shade 04 Grapefruit, and then using this water gel tint in the shade 04 Lovely Pink. For the blush, I would like to use the same gel tint, the Lovely Pink, for my cheeks. Come by our Nature Public store here at Irvine Spectrum to recreate my look. See you all in the next tutorial!